Hello kids, welcome to Bodhi Official. To get notification of latest videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. What do you do every day? I wake up at 6 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I turn off my alarm. I turn off my alarm. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I open the curtains. I open the curtains. I make my bed. I make my bed. I drink water. I drink water. I meditate every morning. I meditate every morning. I check my phone. I check my phone. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I get dressed. I get dressed. I go downstairs. I go downstairs. I make tea or coffee. I make tea or coffee. I prepared a breakfast. I prepare breakfast. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I leave the house. I leave the house. For watching Bodhi Official. Subscribe for more videos.